In a dry environment, concrete strength will be lost as much as in moist environment. A 30, B 40, C 50, D 60. The correct answer is 50. Dry intervals in surface wetting leads to A cracking, B fogging, C high strength, D good workability. The correct answer is cracking. Chemically inactive pore fillers the workability. A decrease, B increase, C don't affect, D improve. The correct answer is improve. Damp proofing resist water well enough. A does, B does not, C doesn't affect, D depends on the temperature. The correct answer is does not. After finishing, concrete surface must be kept A dry, B first dry it and then wet it, C first wet it and then dry it, D wet. The correct answer is wet. Concrete placed in cold weather will take time to gain strength. A no, B less, C more, D equal to hot weather. The correct answer is more. Chemically active pore fillers the setting of concrete. A retards, B decrease, C accelerates, D no change. The correct answer is accelerates. Air entrainment in concrete increases. A strength, B workability, C the effect of temp variations, D the unit weight. The correct answer is workability.